Hawken, Pinball Arcade, Toukiden 2 Free Alliances version, APB Reloaded, America's Army Proving Grounds, Orcs Must Die Unchained, Frozen Free Fall Snowball Fight, Dreadnought, Armored Warfare, Starlit Adventures, Star Trek Online, Defiance 2050, Big City Stories, Dungeon Defenders Roman 2, Cryptract, Idle Champions of the Forgotten Realms, Blacklight Retribution, Trove, Spacelords, TERA, Skyforge, Kitten Squad, Battle Ages, GWENT, the Witcher card game, World of Tanks Mercenaries, Don't Bite Me Bro, 3-3 FreeStyle, Hex Card Clash, Fishing Planet, Adventure Capitalist, Neverwinter, Home Zone Battle Royale, Let It Die, PlanetSide 2, Fallout Shelter, Death Tales Beta, Onigiri, Smite, War Thunder, Knights of Valor, DC Universe Online, Rogue Company, Crossout, Warface, Paladins, Hitman 2 Prologue, Fortnite Battle Royale, Rocket League, Warframe, Royale.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.